Have you ever wondered if your desired career would be in a class in your high school? And what what do you wanted to know welding and hospitality, law and order, fashion and interior design, game design, programming, and all the other ones you wanted to learn but had no, and that has not been considered as a class in your school? And high school students should and take workforce and college preparation classes, and that fit in their desires, so they will be more likely to be successful in their life and or chosen career. No. And even if you don't go to a college, everything you learn in high school um, could be used in jobs and careers. So you'll have an advantage knowing the material, the material. And the Philadelphia Mercy Vocational High School said, and I quote, to be sure that students will leave with the basics to learn high school to earn a high school diploma and also an industry certification, end quote. And they will have a greater opportunity at having full jobs in our college credits. In Georgetown University, and Edwards talks about how we need to expand how we think about success, he says, and it's just smarter, smarter and more noid way of thinking about workforce development. When you when you have classes that lead to jobs or college experience, you'll have an advantage over most college graduates. Um, so if you take college education or classes, that will lead you to that will lead you to perfection faster. Um, have you ever wanted to get ahead of the others and take one big step for in high school and then take one medium big step for college? And if you take a dual enrollment program, you could potentially save money and time for when going to college. And on a recent poll, college students answered that they were most comfortable in college when they tried to take college classes in high school. And at Mercy Vocational High Schools, about 60% of graduate seniors had been offered full-time jobs and last year, but then they continued their education. 38% of the class of 2013 continued to post-secondary education, colleges, trade school, and trading programs. And the other 35% worked while continuing education. 26% entered full-time employment. So that means more than 100% of the graduating class being hired in that school. Quicker makes your life easier in life. And by the classes you took, even with no specific interest, and you'll be good to know the skills of it. At the David Point Career Technology Center of Dayton, Ohio, the principal Ray Carthers said, and quoted, students can choose between 14 different classes, careers, pathways, such as cosmetology, culinary arts, banking and finance, and dental assistant, and automotive technology, and digital design. In each program, they have the opportunity to earn an industry certification, end quote. This proves that there's already programs leading to careers, pathways, and the, the varieties in which you can attend to. So if you don't have a career pathway, try finding some available programs in your high school. If there isn't any, just go to a nearby college and get some credit if you like. And if you don't like, if you don't have time for it, just make a flexible schedule and see if you can fit it in. I guarantee you that it will make college and your desired careers a straight path to success.